Hey guys, passing the knowledge along. So the VB-2 that I have, I put in all new filter capacitors, got some 6CA7s in there from EHX, and I found out that this effects loop is passive. You might run into this issue if you have this amplifier. See how that buzzing goes away when it's all the way up? Got that little bit of noise. For the most part, the amplifier is very quiet in the background. It's got the same problem as I believe the Valve Kings do. It's a passive effects loop. Now, you get that white noise all the way up, of course, but no more noise.